much money do you get for allowance? Actually, my mom doesn't give my allowance and my dad gives it. My dad gives 10,000 won for a month. However, let's think there are 2,000 won for an allowance. If I had 2,000 won for my allowance, I want to do two things. First of all, I would like to spend my allowance to play with my friends. I play with my friends very frequently, and we always bring some monies to play. For example, my friends and I use it to eat something or go to board game cafe. In addition, I want to donate to poor kids. I always can play, eat, and sleep. However, some kids can't. For example, some kids who live in Africa don't have enough water. But if I donate, they can drink a cool sweet water. In conclusion, I want to use my allowance by these two ways. To reiterate, I want to spend my allowance to play with my friends and donate to poor kids. If you liked my presentation, please click the like button. Thank you for listening.